How to change name in Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to go to the Epic Games website. So open up your browser, search for Epic Games, then click on the Epic Games Store right here. Now wait for it to load. And once you are on the website right here, make sure that you are currently logged in. And once you're logged in, click on account right there. Wait for it to load again. And here on account settings, you'll see your display name where you could basically edit it. So just simply click on the pencil icon beside your name, and it will say here that if you change your Epic Games display name, you can change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this change. And now you just simply need to put your name just like that, your new name that you want, and click on this I understand, click on confirm. And if your name is taken, it will say that shortest this display name is already in use. So you need to think of another one. Then click on confirm. Now as you can see, my display name has updated successfully, and that's basically it.